Hi, I'm Johanna Rothman, and this is my November 2025 Pragmatic Manager newsletter. Want to invite culture change? Combine metrics and stories, Part 1. I've been working with Stephanie, a senior leader who's trying to nudge her organization to more organizational agility. Not because agility is so good, but because they want to quickly launch new products and new versions of existing products. They think these products will allow them to capture new customer segments, and they want to avoid losing their current revenue streams. All this effort requires innovation and collaboration, both in teams and across teams. That's the culture change required for any kind of agility. Stephanie realized she had to invite everyone to change. Instead of trying to plan everything as in a roadmap, they're creating team-based experiments and reviewing the results as they proceed. That's why they're using Deming's Plan, Do, Study, Act, as in the image above. And since all of their products are software, they can create multiple experiments and study the results of each. Every experiment means they can replan and create more experiments. They have never tried this much innovation before. However, their old idea of plan the strategy with long roadmaps failed for the 5th time in just 4 years. Instead of pretending to know their product strategies, they expect to change each product strategy as soon as they know the result of each experiment. So far, Stephanie has succeeded in these ways. The managers have a single overarching goal. That goal is to fulfill the organization's strategy. That means they can work as a collaborative cohort. They have already reduced the time it takes for them to make decisions about the project portfolio and all the product strategies. Read more in How to See the Blind Spots that maintain the current system, useful or useless. Because the managers collaborate, their team members collaborate. Even better, every team member collaborates and optimizes up to fulfill their product strategy, not a specific manager's goal. All that collaboration means everyone has reduced their WIP, decreased their cycle time, and increased throughput. See flow metrics and why they matter to teams and managers. The employees feel much more ease and excitement as they work. The customers are ecstatic. No one is pushing to see a roadmap because the organization continues to innovate quickly. And the senior leaders are seeing some validation for their overall strategy. But the middle managers? Some of them are having a little trouble. Middle managers feel adrift. Some of the middle managers are uneasy. They can't argue with results. Stephanie's ideas are working. But these middle managers cannot use their previous measures based on resource efficiency thinking. Instead, the managers have to use their empirical data based on flow efficiency and trust the teams to deliver. There's no point in asking anyone about velocity because the teams measure their cycle time. Worse, the teams don't even estimate in a way these middle managers understand. Instead of considering a given story's duration, the teams eyeball each story and ask if it looks like the right size, where the team can finish the work in a day or so. Many of these managers want to support this organizational agility effort. They can see that the teams are working better, but they aren't nervous, mostly because These managers don't know why their old metrics are wrong and the new metrics are right. It's not a function of wrong or right. Instead, it's about the story, the metrics, and the employees and customers tell. With that, I will leave you with a small cliffhanger. I'll send the rest of the story in part 2. In the meantime, here are some links I include in all my newsletters. Under Learn with Johanna, I can finally say that Effective Public Speaking Kickstarter has a pre-launch page. The link is in the description. Our pre-launch page is not about committing to buying the book. All you commit to is allowing Kickstarter to notify you that the Kickstarter is open. If you're curious, please add yourself to the notification list. I am not sending you that email. Kickstarter will. Thank you. I am offering the last interactive writing workshop in January. See the link for Writing Workshop 1 for your inner writer and sell your nonfiction ideas. I have a discount code for the Agile Network, and then all other links of interest for my YouTube channel, the previous issues, the Managing Product Development blog, Creating an Adaptable Life, my books, my fiction, everything you can imagine. Thank you, and I will see you next month.